We uncovered the tarps off the green because we had a lot of rain last night and the sun is out and it's just gorgeous. But now that the sun is out and really hitting the grass, stuff that I had cut in before when it was cooler weather is starting to heat up and stretch. So you can see we've got a lot of wrinkling going on, wrinkles in here, here, and here, and here. Now, since we've already cut quite a bit of this, and to try and cut that much off or just a hair off with the knife, what we're going to do is we've got nails in securing, you can see here and here where it's starting to wrinkle up. We're going to pop those nails out, still leave the nails in here secured, and we're going to pull it towards the green, and we should maybe have a ½ inch or so of excess. And what you want to do is get a really good pair of shears, something that's a little bit more commercial side, heavy duty, and then we're going to essentially trim all that excess off so we've got a nice clean edge. Now you may ask, why don't we use scissors along the whole entire project? And the problem is that these dull rather quickly and you spend a lot of time sharpening these. So we try not to use them if we don't have to. And that's why we like to use the knives with the disposable carpet blades, something along this line here that folds out, and then the carpet blades are disposable and throwaways. So we'll get to the cutting and trimming in just a second.